Let's review Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike, who am a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film, we are reviewing Acidic Bonding Concentrate by Redken. So if you want to find out what MDC thinks about Redken, whether it's good or it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, we are finally reviewing Redken. And you guys, this has been highly requested. You've been asking for this for ages, and I got myself some Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate, which is their latest range. When I say latest, it was released last year, and I've been dying to try out. And you guys, there's definitely a lot more Redken reviews coming very, very soon. Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate, also known as ABC, is their most powerful hair regime. It hydrates, restores, and strengthens the hair fiber. And when we're thinking about it, so it is an acidic bonding concentrate. So the key word in this is bonding. So it has a bonding complex in it. And you guys, now if we all know, this range is mainly for people that have really damaged hair due to chemical services. This hair care range will reinforce the hydrogen bonds. So those are the bonds inside of our hair, and when we color our hair, boom, those bonds get broken. They say, see you later, it was lovely to meet you, and that's how our hair gets damaged. So the acidic bonding concentrate is actually going to reinforce those bonds. It's going to bring the hair to a healthy acidic pH, which is very important for our hair, and is going to deeply condition, restore, and nourish our hair. So overall, it sounds amazing. So like that, you guys, I have three products different here. I have shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner, and we're gonna try it out on this channel. So you guys, let's get right into it with product number one. Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo by Redken. First things first, you guys, Redken did get a facelift when it comes to packaging, and I love the new packaging. And overall, Redken is just beautiful product. I used to use Redken in my own hair. Clear Moisture was my shampoo to go. But overall, I'm liking the new packaging. So what can I tell you about this shampoo? In this shampoo, we do get whopper 300 mils of products, which is a lot. And this shampoo retails online for €20.95. This shampoo is also a sulfate-free formula, which means it's color safe and it's safe for anyone that had keratin treatment in their hair. This shampoo is going to provide our hair with strength, conditioning, and color protection. Now, you guys, when we're looking at this whole packaging, as you can see, we have a number here, and this number is 7. So citric acid, which is the acidic bonding, and obviously the active ingredient in this is citric acid. This shampoo contains 7% of it, so each product has a different number or different percentage of the citric acid. The citric acid will fortify the weakened bonds during coloring service, giving us stronger, healthier hair. This shampoo is going to provide our hair with 56% less breakage and 11 times more shine. And now, you guys, when I was reading about this, this is very much for everyone, even though like it is for damaged and dry hair and hair that's been damaged during coloring. I think it's good for everyone that has hair concerns, if that makes sense. But you guys, what are we gonna do is we are gonna check it out. We're gonna open this, we're gonna smell it. I have not smelled Redken in years, so I am so excited because I always remember the iconic scent. It smells really, really beautiful. It smells very fresh, I must say. I wouldn't say clinical, but fresh. And like that, it's a nice creamy formula. So let's smell it. It smells beautiful. Do you know what it actually smells like, right? It nearly smells like Tic Tacs or Mentos or something like that. It is actually really nice, but a softer version of it. So we're going to try it out on this channel. We're going to see what it does to my hair. And yeah, we're going to see if it's good or it's a heap of dirt. But before we're going to do that, let's talk about the next product. Acidic Bonding Conditioner by Redken. This conditioner will basically do what the shampoo does, but it's a lot more concentrated. So we have citric acid in this, which is 11% of the bonding complex. So we have a lot more citric acid, so the stuff that actually strengthens and fortifies our bonds, than in this shampoo. But basically, we do have the same ingredients and the same formula in it, but in the conditioner. So let's open this up, let's try it out. And anytime now. Okay, so the conditioner does feel thick. And like that, it smells the same, but it is a nice thick and creamy consistency, so the conditioner is definitely a lot thicker. So you guys, what am I gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna wash my hair using the Redken ABC shampoo and a conditioner. We're gonna come back and then we've one more product to try out, so don't go anywhere. So you guys, see you in a minute. Right you guys, and I am back after shampooing my hair using the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate shampoo and a conditioner. Now first things you guys, before I forget, when it comes to the packaging, right? And I feel like brands need to like talk to me before they create packaging. Obviously we can see that the shampoo and the conditioner, they're in two different, well the bottle is the same, but this one obviously is clear in the back. But if you're shampooing your head, now a loads of women do that, is you shampoo your head over the shower and the bottle will be facing that way. There's no way or knowing which one's which, so I actually had to have the shampoo and the conditioner line that way. But that's, so far that's my only downfall. Now let's talk about the shampoo. The shampoo is actually beautiful. It's a lather rich formula and it feels very light on the hair, which I think is very important when it comes to anything that's strengthening and nourishing, because it's not going to weigh down hair like mine. Now you guys, let's say I have very heavily colored hair and my bonds are damaged. They said goodbye, they said see you later, and this is the hair care range I would use. But because my hair is fine and flat, I cannot have anything too heavy because it's going to make it greasy and it's going to weigh it down. So for that, I think this is definitely good. And when they came, that's the conditioner. I'm talking about the conditioner, but I'm talking about the shampoo. Talking about, no, that is, see, I'm getting confused. That is the conditioner. So let's talk about the conditioner. The conditioner is nice and creamy and the hair feels absolutely soft without weighing the hair down. So for me, it's a plus. So you guys, let's talk about the last product from the range. Acidic Perfecting Concentrate Leave-In Treatment. In this product, we do get 150 ml of product, and this product retails online for €20.95. This is a leave-in conditioner treatment for damaged hair that's going to strengthen, fortify and nourish your hair. This will also reinforce weakened bones, and we do have heat protector in this for up to 230 degrees Celsius and 450 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, yeah, I think that's how you say it. This is also gonna smooth the hair, ease detangling and help to manage blow drying. So overall we're getting everything. So like that is gonna give us great condition that we can leave it in, and we do have 5% of citric acid. So you guys, let's put it in my hair and let's blow dry it in. So I'm gonna pop a tiny bit of that on my hand, and it is nice and textury like, and it does smell like rest of the range. So basically all the products do smell the same. So I'm just going to work a tiny bit of that through my hair. So far it does not feel heavy in my hair, which is brilliant, and like that you only need a pea size of it in your hair. But you know what you guys, when I was looking into this range, the one thing I heard is that it's very lightweight, which is very important, and I can't stress that enough. So you guys, what am I gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna just dry off my hair quickly, we're gonna come back and we're gonna conclude everything. Right you guys, and we are back. So what can I tell you about Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate? First things first, my hair feels deadly. It feels unreal, there's beautiful shine to it, and this does not feel heavy. And I always find if you're using anything overhydrating or over protein base, even though it's just made really heavy, because brands nearly think like, right, the hair is really dry, so we just need to pump up and just make the product really, really thick, when this is actually very, very light, but my hair still feels really hydrated and beautiful. The blow drying was actually very, very easy, so overall I am impressed. So let's talk about everything. When it comes to the shampoo and the conditioner by Redken ABC, I think it's absolutely beautiful. It is definitely perfect for anyone that has colored their hair, that hair is over processed, or that is just looking for an overall shampoo and a conditioner, because as we can see, my hair is not over processed and it worked absolutely perfectly. So when Redken says that it will work on all types of hair, they are not lying. Overall, I am impressed. The only thing I would say is when it comes to the new packaging, maybe change the lid or something, so when it's down in the shower you can actually notice the difference. When it comes to the leave-in treatment, I must say I was worried about it, because when it comes to some leave-in treatment, they can make the hair quite heavy and greasy looking, especially on my hair. But as you can see on my hair, it looks perfectly. the hair feels good and it just done what it's supposed to do. So you guys, when it comes to Redken's ABC, I think it's a hit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film either interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.